think we'll be seeing a little bit more in the media about felony disenfranchisement. Over 5 million otherwise eligible voters nationwide are estimated to have lost their federal voting privileges because of current and past felony convictions. As many as 40% of that number are African American. Women represent about 500,000 of those. In some cases, released ex-felons are not informed of the steps necessary to regain their right to vote and often incorrectly believe that they can never vote again. Moreover, even if they seek to have the vote restored, few have the financial and political resources needed to succeed. All states, except Maine and Vermont, bar felons from voting, though some allow felons to regain their right to vote in some circumstances. So why the inconsistency amongst the states? The 15th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, enacted in 1870 following the Civil War, and the Emancipation Proclamation that declared slaves free men, declared, "The right of citizens of the United States to vote shall not be denied or abridged by the United States or by any state on account of race, color, or previous condition of servitude." Seems pretty straightforward. However, in the 1974 Supreme Court case Richardson versus Ramirez, Justice Rehnquist's opinion determined felony disenfranchisement to be constitutional under Section 2 of the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment specifies penalties on states should they attempt to stop any male of age from voting, but makes exceptions for disenfranchisement of one who has participated in rebellion or other crime. The question is, if the strength of a constitutional republic depends on voluntary participation of its citizens, how can we deny the basic right to vote of those citizens that have successfully completed their debt to society? Or is voting not a right at all, but merely a privilege that can be taken away at any time? In closing, Revolutionary Father Thomas Paine said, "The right of voting for representatives is the primary right by which all other rights are protected. To take away this right is to reduce a man to slavery, for slavery consists in being subject to the will of another." What's your opinion?